Aloha, my friends. Last day of work today. I'm stoked, getting ready for the move to Hawaii. Last few days as a mainlander. Let's go get packed and let's move to Hawaii. Alright, this is the last Dutch Bros before moving to Kauai. Kind of sad about that, but I'll miss you, Dutch Bros. Alright, it is Monday morning. We are leaving for Hawaii. Last day, we're taking one last look at the empty house and the nice view that we are leaving. Goodbye, Wenatchee. Hello, Hawaii. I'm here at Matson in Seattle, downtown Seattle, dropping off my Toyota 4Runner to ship over to Kauai, back to the hotel, and then tomorrow morning we fly out. Here we go. Aloha, my friends. We made it to Kauai. We are here. We've been here a couple days now, and the weather is just perfect. Everything's perfect here. The sand, the waves, you name it. You can see my friend the seal just chilling out on the beach. We're here just drinking coffee, watching the sunrise, and it's just great here. We hope you guys can come out and visit us. We miss all of our friends and family at home already, but we hope that you guys come out and see us. We'd love to have you here. Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel below, and you can follow all of our adventures. Aloha. See you, my friends.